Welcome to the video tutorials for the Q-Cells Rooftop Planner. This video covers electric. In the electric section, the inverter can be configured either manually or automatically depending on the design of the inverter. You will find the following buttons in the ribbon. Reset to completely reset an existing string. Horizontal to make an automatic horizontal offset. Vertical to make an automatic vertical adjustment. DXF and DWG to export the string plan to native CAD formats. Screenshot to make a screenshot of the view, and Scales to perform a true-to-scale export of the string plan to a PDF. To the left of the view is the toolbar, which contains the following tools. Select to select one or more modules. Hand to move the view. Rotate to rotate the view in 3D. Magnifying glass to zoom in or out. Set penetration point to set a penetration or collection point on the roof area. Interconnect to interconnect selected modules on a string. Eraser to delete an existing string. In addition to the toolbar, you can see the list of the required strings, which is divided into two tabs, GF1 and GF2, for east-west systems where GF stands for generator field. Use the Smart Menu button to show or hide the list of strings. Below the view, you will see the status bar, which helps you to count the selected modules. Once stringing is complete, you can quickly view the allocation of a list entry by either clicking on the entry, the corresponding string is then highlighted in the view, or by clicking on a string in the view, after which you will see that the corresponding list entry is highlighted in the list of strings. To manually interconnect modules, click on the first module of the desired string with the left mouse button. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Click on the other modules to add them to the string. The sequence of your clicks determines the order of the interconnection. Follow the Selected Elements display in the status bar. Once the required number of modules has been reached, you can assign the selected modules to the string. Click on the desired entry in the list of strings. Click on the Interconnect tool in the toolbar. You will now see that the strings are interconnected in the view, and that the green confirmation symbol appears in the list of strings behind the previously selected entry. This indicates that the number of connected modules matches the number of modules required. To delete the interconnection of a string, click on the eraser in the toolbar and click on the string to be deleted in the view with the left mouse button. For safety, change the tool to the selection tool immediately. For larger projects, it is advisable to initially use automatic stringing. Automatic vertical adjustment is useful in the case of east-west systems. Click on the Vertical button to make an automatic vertical adjustment. Use the eraser to delete individual strings and then reassign them manually. The string diagram is exported in the same way as shown in CAD Plan and Statics.